guys, welcome back to my channel. I sat down to craft and kind of got started, and I thought, you know what, I haven't done a craft with me in a while, so I went ahead and turned the camera on. I have a couple things on my desk. This is from a Sears catalog, a reproduction, and it's just got some creepy like Halloween-y type stuff. So I'm gonna have some ephemera, Halloween ephemera going up in my Etsy shop soon, but that's not what this video is gonna be about. I have these metal charms that I received from BB Craft, and I wanted to fill them and kind of get them prepped for my fall and Halloween decorating. So I have the bases here, and these are a heavy metal. You can hear, I mean, you can hear when I put them together that they are clanging metal. And then they have the glass discs that go on top that came with them as well. So I got those out, and then I pulled some of the collections that I'm gonna be using. I have this Simple Stories Cozy Days for fall. And then I have the Hey Pumpkin collection, and I have the 31 collection from Prima. So I'm gonna kind of match things up here. I don't have my paper pad for this yet. I just have my large papers, so I'm waiting on that. But I think I can use some of these ephemera pieces to put inside them. And I'm sorry for the glare, I shouldn't put those right there. So for this one, this has some blue in it, so I think I can pull some of the blue discs. So it's got this dark blue here that's like a navy, but then it's also got kind of like this kind of cornflower blue here. And I think that these go well with it. So if I go to a page that maybe just has, that's got like blue socks on it. I mean, it looks really cute with that. This also goes really well with it. This is almost a perfect match to the peachy pink that's in here, but this also is a really good match to the 31 collection. So I might split it and do one of the pinks with this collection and one with the other one. I'm not quite sure. So I know for sure I'm gonna do the blue. The green doesn't really go. So it's like this deeper green, and I have more of a lime green here. So I don't think I'm gonna use the green. Yeah, see this blue, it matches okay. I think it looks fine. Yeah, even here, I think that looks cute there. Okay, so I know for sure I'm gonna use the blue. I think the brown would be really cute here too. So there's like a chocolatey brown. So I've got the two blues and the two browns here. And then this yellow actually goes really well too. So I think I'm gonna use at least these 6 with this collection. I'm just gonna set that aside with those. And then I pulled the ephemera pieces for that too, in case I wanted to do any of the cutouts here. This is what the ephemera looks like, and I'll pull it out, but I don't know if there's too many I could use. I wanna see how big these circles are here. So this opening is 1 inch. Okay, so then the Hey Pumpkin collection, I had a cut apart sheet here that I'm just gonna, I thought I could use it, but these are a little bit too big. But inside this book, there's a ton of cute options. So you can definitely do like this little face. So if you take this little little glass and you put it, it goes right over the face perfectly. So you could make, you know, a ton of these pumpkins if you wanted to. So I need to split the oranges up between these 2 collections. I wish I had this teal color in here, but I don't. Okay, so I might do the solid black with this collection, and then I think the pinks for sure for here instead of on here, because I'll just use the brown for those. And yeah, like I said, those greens don't match either of the collections. The purple, I don't think this one has purple in it. Let me do a quick flip through here. No, there's no purple in here, so we're gonna put the purple aside as well. This lighter blue isn't gonna go, and this red I don't think is gonna go. But I'll save these for Christmas, so I'm not worried about that. So I think we'll do 3, 3, and 6 for the fall. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is use this clear craft glue. I do have glossy accents too, but I think I'm going to use this instead. And I'm going to punch out with my 1-inch circle punch. So now the last thing that I need to do is figure out what I'm going to punch out. So let me move these to the side. We'll start with this one. And there was 2 pages that I wanted to really focus on. I thought this actually would be cute, the holographic. So I just kind of took, like I did before, I took these glass circles and I kind of put it over just to see how it looked. And I really like the holographic there, but I don't want to waste one of my blacks on there. Like I said, the pumpkin face fits really good, but this super cute page with all of the characters fits so much. So like this mummy is perfect to fit in there. The owl is perfect. I could do the cat face. I can do the candy corns. The pumpkin fits perfectly in there, so I can do anything on this page. I think I could even do the Frankenstein, which would be kind of cute. So I think I'll for sure just be using this page for that. So I can put this stuff away. Okay, so let me set these to the side. Then I'm gonna take this collection. So I've got the 2 pink and the orange, and I'm going to see what is going to fit. So maybe I'll look at the back first. I don't know what these are gonna work. I could pull out some of the larger cut apart sheets and take a look at those as well. But let me do these first. So this is the 27 piece set. So I could do, I actually have this larger sheet. I wonder if I could do one of the pumpkins on the larger sheet. So you can see that it kind of overlaps the orange ones here. So that's not ideal. This one I could do one of the pumpkin faces, but I don't want to cut that apart. That's too cute of a piece. That's on there. The cat. I could just do, like a sucker or a sweet treat like that. That would work. So let me set that aside. Ghost here would work. That's kind of cute. Set that aside. What about one of these? I could do. That little vintage circle fits in there, and I do have 2 of these. I don't know if you guys can see that because of the light ring, but that definitely might be an idea. This little ghosty is so cute. Cat, cauldron. What about this little girl? Do her face as well, but kind of the whole picture together is cute. Okay, so that is it for those ones that would work. I think for sure we'll do this pink one. We'll do one ghost one, and then I think the candies. All right, so we'll just put those there. Okay, then we'll move on to our fall ones. We've got 6 options here. Let's see what we can use on the ephemera pack first. I don't think there's too much in here actually for an option, but we'll check it out. So you just have Hello Fall, Autumn Days, Banner, Cozy. Okay, these are the ones I wanted to check. And they're a little bit bigger. They're probably at like 1.5 inches. Yeah, they're just a little bit too big. Get those out of the way. I think this plaid would look cute inside that one. Oh, what about this little raccoon? I bet you he's gonna be too big too. A little piece of pie, that one might work. We'll set that one aside. Got all my little word strips are falling apart here. That little pumpkin would work. Okay, so not a ton in there. I'm just gonna keep the pie and the pumpkin out. Let's flip through here and see what we have. See, I just wonder like how this would look in the brown, just some of the flowers. I think that actually would look really pretty. I might do that. I can also do like an acorn. I could, because I'm probably not going to use this sheet, I could, you know, make the acorn the center like that, or one of the flowers. Like that is an idea. Yeah, And then those, I can showcase any one of these. Okay, so I think I've got enough to play with on all of these. So let's start with this one. Like I said, they are 1 inch, so I just have my 1 inch punch here. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to punch out this circle here. Try and get it as centered as possible. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put that one in the pink circle. Okay, so that's what it looks like in there. So I think it's perfect. Now I have to get it out because it did do something similar to this before. Shoot, no, I got it stuck in there. And I didn't glue the bottom down. I only glued this on it and it ended up popping out. So I wanted to put a dab of glue underneath there, but now it's stuck in there and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to. All right, I'm not gonna be able to do it for this one. I'm gonna have to do it for the next one. All right, so let's see how this goes. Give my glue a little shake. I'm just using this Dollar Tree glue, like I said, from Crafter's Square. I've got maybe too much there, we'll see. I think I'm gonna dab some of that up because I don't want it coming out the sides. And I'm just gonna push this on. Push that down nice and hard. That is perfect. Look how cute that is. I'm trying to get the ring light out of there. That is adorable. That's gonna be such a cute addition to a chunky charm or a dangle. Okay, so that one's done. That was so easy. Now let's do a ghost in the orange. So again, I'm just gonna take my punch and maybe I'll try and make like maybe this ghost the center. I'll see if I can get him in there. See if there's a way I could get 2 of them at all. Okay, so I'm not sure what happened, but I went to edit the video and I noticed that it got corrupted and it did not record the last half of the video. So what I wanted to do was just come back on and give you guys a peek at the finished product. So that is what you really missed. So let me first go for the Cozy Days. So I just took the chipboard collection here and I just wanted to kind of lay these out just so you can see how cute the blue looks with the blue, you know, the accent there, the accent there. I've got the brown with the pumpkin. Here's the yellow. The yellow goes so well with the yellow flower there. Let's see, I have the acorn. I mean, it just coordinates so well. It's so adorable. I've got the pink with the acorn background and then the blue with the brown background of the flowers. So I just wanted to show you guys how adorable those turned out. And I know they're hard to see because of the glare. I don't know if coming up closer is any better. No, it's gonna catch that ring light. So there is the Simple Stories Cozy Days collection. Then I have here just some chipboard from the 31 collection. And here I've got the pink with the little retro picture in there. I've got pink with a black background and some sweet treats. And then I have an orange background with some ghosts. So again, that coordinates so well with the collection. These colors that these come in are just beautiful. Okay, and then lastly, I just have the Hey Pumpkin collection from Crate Paper. And these are my absolute favorite. I absolutely love how these little faces turned out in there. They're so cute. I might take the rest of the paper and make little button flares with them. But I also think I'm gonna place an order for additional metal discs just because I absolutely love how they turned out and how they coordinate. All right, so that's everything, guys. Thank you for watching. I will put the link to BB Craft and to these products down below if you're interested in ordering. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.